I'll help you plus verb is used to tell someone that you will assist him or her with something or in doing something. I'll is the contracted form of I will. Examples: I'll help you get through this. I'll help you finish eating all the cakes. I'll help you make your dreams come true. I'll help you carry these bags. They are so heavy. I'll help you beautify your garden. I'll help you finish all your tasks before your mother arrives. I'll help you catch the burglar who stole your jewelry. I'll help you save up for your dream car. I'll help you look for a job. I'll help you take care of your children while your husband is away on business.